Hi, it's Anna with WTI.
You know that big mess you have with your dog's water bowl? I don't have that problem. Salodal has this super cool water bowl, and I love it. So we used to have such a mess, and now all I have is a few little drops that drip off of our dog's mouth after he drinks. It's super nice. So you get 4 pieces. You have this nice rubber mat so it doesn't slide all over your floor. This very nice heavy duty metal bowl. It comes with this little piece that floats on the top, which makes it where not all of the water is exposed, but just a little bit where that dips down. And then there's the top with 4 clasps, so it's on very securely and isn't going to come off unless you actually are wanting it to come off. So every few days, I'll just wash this out, put in fresh water, and then I don't worry about it anymore. I know he has fresh water whenever he needs it. It holds a little bit over a gallon, so like I said, he is set for days. I love having this. It has made his feeding area stay so much cleaner and drier. So if you're looking for a way to prevent those spills, this one is superb.
And that's our point of view.